Wow, guys, let's begin with our relaxing class. Hello, hello. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Teacher Tatiana. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you today? I am fine. I am good. I am great. Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, the third day of the week, and today I'm going to show you how to do the next two activities. Let's start. Activity, guys, I use different colors. As you can see, you can use your favorite colors too. For this activity, we continue with the letter S. And in this part, we are going to color all the pictures that begin with the letter S. In this case, all begin with the letter S. We have socks, sun, star, snail, spider, and snake. I use orange crayon, but you can use any color or your favorite color. Repeat with me, guys. Socks, sun, star, snail, spider, and snake. Very good jobs. Now, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that's all, guys. Bye. This is the first activity for Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week, and you can use any color or different colors to find and color all the pictures that begin with the letter S. Now, what pictures begin with the letter S? We have 7, rabbit, seal, frog, socks, sandwich, sun, drum, and dog. Again, we are going to count the pictures that begin with the letter S. 7, seal, socks, sandwich, and sun. I'm going to use different colors and you are going to see the result. And remember that when you begin, you color the border of the picture and then you begin up and down inside of the picture in this way. Up and down, up and down.